Hello friends, welcome back to CAD Practice. Today we are going to construct a 3D CAD model in Autodesk Inventor Sheet Metal and learn the Autodesk Inventor Sheet Metal commands. So let's get started. Go to New, take a sheet metal part in millimeter and go to Create. Now take a 2D sketch. We start from the front plane, so we'll select the XY plane. So this will be the front view. From here we are going to take 2-point center rectangle. Select this center point and make a rectangle profile. Go to Dimension. Define the width here as 20 mm and the height of 30 mm. Okay, now escape. Now I want an open profile here. So select this bottom line, make it a construction line. So this has become an open line or open sketch. Now finish sketch, take counter flange. Here we are going to take a symmetric flange and the distance here will be of 140 mm. Okay, so this will be the profile. Now press OK. Now here I want to change the thickness. So go to sheet metal defaults, uncheck this and here change the thickness from 0.5 to 1 mm. Click on apply and exit. Okay. Now rotate the profile. Now select this face, go to create sketch. Now we are going to make the cut profile. Here go to part 1. Here you can see, go to the left view. Here you can see this cut profile. Okay. So go to part 2 again. Here take the line command and we'll start from this top. Press here. Now go to arc, take 3-point arc, select this point and select here. Okay, like this, make one arc. Now go to dimension. Okay, go to dimension, select this point and select the center. This will be at 25 mm and this arc here will also be of 25 mm. Okay, now escape. Now here we have a movement here. So to constrain this movement, take one more arc, 3-point arc, select this and select here. Okay, now go to vertical constraint, select the center point, select the center. Okay, now we are going to mirror this profile. Go to line, select the center point, make a center line over here. Escape, select this line. Okay, drag this dimension downwards. Now you can select this line, make it construction. Now go to mirror, select this arc. Go to mirror line, select this, apply and done. Okay, go to dimension. From top, this end will be at a distance of 10 mm. Okay, now go to tangent constraint, select this line and select this arc. Okay, now you can see this is fully constrained. Now escape. Now as this line is been dragging backside, so drag this and join them. Now here you can say fully constrained sketch. Take the line command, select this end, select here and join these profiles to make it a closed profile. Now escape. Now select these yellow lines, make them construction geometry. Okay, so this will be the profile. Now here we want side cuts as well. So go to rectangle, take 2-point rectangle, select this edge and here select here. Similarly select this point and select here. Okay, we want to cut the sheet metal. So go to view, visual style, change it to wireframe. Here you can see this is sheet metal thickness. Go to sketch, go to dimension, select this line and select the center line. Here the distance will be of 62.5 and same here, select this line here and select the center line. This distance also 62.5. Okay, go to 3D model, take extrude, select all the profiles, flip the direction to cut, take here cut and here we will take all. So this will be a through cut. Go to view, visual style, change it to shaded with edges and press OK. So this will be the new profile. Okay, go to part 1, go to home. So we have constructed this middle cut and these side cuts. Okay, now the next profile which we are going to make is this bottom cut. Go to left view. Here we have a bottom taper cut. So go to part 2, select this face again, go to create sketch. Here take the line command and construct one taper line. Okay, escape, go to arc, select this point and select here. Make one arc, go to dimension, or first go to tangent constraint, select this arc, select this line. Now go to dimension. From top, this will be a triangle of 10 degree. Okay, and from this end till this point, this will be also 10 mm. Now the radius of this arc here will be of 30. Okay, and from center point, this end will be at 15 mm. Now go to line, select this point, select this corner and here select here. Now escape. Now we want this similar profile this side as well. Go to line, make a center line over here, escape. Now here go to mirror, select this complete profile, select this line, go to mirror line and select this middle center line, apply and done. Okay, go to 3D model, take extrude, select this profile and select this profile, flip the direction. So this will be a cut profile and here we will take all. So this will also be a through cut. Now press OK. So we have half of the profile now. Now go to part 1, go to home. Now here we have a mounting profile. So for this mounting profile, go to part 2, select flange, select this corner and here take a flange length of 15 mm. Okay, press OK. Now here go to corner round, take radius here of 15 mm, go to corner selection, select this corner and here select this corner. Now press OK. So this will be all round. As this total distance is of 30 mm, so we have taken corner round of 15. Okay. Now go to this face, go to create sketch. Here we are going to make a mounting hole. So for that, go to rectangle and here take center point arc slot. Select the center point here, make one arc slot here. Okay, go to dimension, define the radius here of 1.5 and this radius here of 10. Okay, now we will define the angle. So for angle, go to line, first make a center line. Okay, escape. Now go to line once again. From this end, make one joining line and one joining line till here. Now escape. Now to see the sketch properly, go to view, visual style, change it to wireframe. Okay, go to sketch, go to dimension, take this total angle here as 105 and this half will be 105 by 2. Okay, now escape, select all these lines and make them construction geometry. Okay, so they are just for reference. Go to finish sketch. Okay, now from here go to cut. So this profile will be selected. So this will be a cut up to thickness of 1 mm and press OK. Okay, now go to view, visual style, change it to shaded with edges. Here you can see the cut profile. Now I want similar profile this side as well. So for that, go to sheet metal, take here mirror, select flange 1, corner round and cut 1. Go to mirror plane, go to origin, and here we will select the YZ plane. Okay, rotate the profile. Here you can see the same profile is being created. Now press OK. Okay, rotate the profile. Now go to part 1. Here we have the internal profiles as well. So go to part 2. Now go to flange. Here select this bottom edge. The flange distance here will be remain same as 15 mm. Rotate here. Select this edge. This also 15 mm. Now press OK. Now here select this face. Go to create sketch. Go to view, visual style, change it to wireframe. Go to sketch again. Take the circle command and here make a circle of diameter 5. Go to vertical constraint, select this point and select the center point. Go to horizontal constraint, select the center point of this flange and select this point. Okay, so this is fully constrained now. Go to 3D model, take extrude. Here we will take symmetric extrude and here we will take all and take here cut. So this will be a through cut. Press OK. So this will be the profile. Now go to home. Okay, so this profile is been constructed. Now the next profile which we are going to make, holes on this face. Select this face, go to create sketch. Take the circle command and make here a circle of diameter 3.5 and here take horizontal constraint and here we are going to select this center point. So this is center point of this straight line. Select this center point of circle. Okay, now go to dimension. From this corner select the center. This will be at a distance of 5 mm. Okay, now we want similar profile this side as well. Go to line, select this center and make a center line. Escape, select this line, make it construction. Go to mirror, select this circle, go to mirror line and select this line. Apply and done. Go to 3D model, take extrude, select both the profiles, flip the direction. So it will flip to cut and here we will take all. So this will be a through cut. Press OK. Now we want to give the corner rounds. So for that select corner round. Take here a radius of 2.5. Go to corner selection. Select all the corners. Select this, this, select this, this side corners. Here as well, select this and select this. Select this, this, this and this. When we are in wireframe, you can see you can select all the corners at once without rotating the profile again and again. So I have not changed the view. Okay, now press OK. Now here go to view, visual style, change it to shaded with edges. Okay, now we are almost complete. Now here go to appearance and I have taken a blue color, so you can take blue. Okay, now we want to create a flat pattern of this complete profile. Go to sheet metal. From here click on create flat pattern. So it will generate a flat pattern of this sheet. Okay, so this was the final profile. Go to folded part. So this was a basic tutorial to how to construct a sheet metal part model in Autodesk Inventor software. I hope you like the video. If you do that, please do hit like and subscribe the channel for more such videos. Thank you.